Okay, so before I move on to the next step, I'm kind of bothered by the fact that our model is just in this arbitrary space. So you see this grid, right? It is, right now, that's kind of the ground. So whatever view I'm looking at it, right, and I can obviously be looking at it from different views, I'm going to want to hit 1 on the keyboard, and this gives you the front view. So this would be like if I'm looking dead at the model and you see how the model's here. So what I want to do is actually then move and adjust my model to this plane, to this ground. So I went to here. This has multiple tools. By default, the move, oops, that's region, I'm sorry. This model, this one right here, and it says move object. And so, right, I can move it up. I can go in and rotate it a little bit so that we, right, oh, there we go. We're starting to get it, and we're not looking on the inside of it. Let's go back to move. And I'll just move it down here, right? I'm just trying to, and now 1 and 3 toggle between looking at it from the X perspective and 3 is the Y perspective. We can also jump to the top perspective with number 7. Those are kind of the key ones I would use to get this. So I'm pretty good with this. This has to do too with when you export the model, how it will open up just naturally in another program, although it's kind of wonky that every 3D has its own kind of thing going on. So I'm going to stop that one there, and then we'll continue on the process.